Hi everyone, it's me, Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, nice to see you. Hope you're doing well. You may not know, but I love anime. It's my favorite thing to watch, but one of my favorite genres of anime is magical girl anime. The first anime I ever watched actually was Sailor Moon. I love Sailor Moon. It was the cringy English dub from the 90s, but like I know it's really bad, but it has a special place in my heart.
Step aside, Mercury! It's not you I'm after!
Go bleach your roots, creep!
Fine then!
The second anime I ever watched besides like Pokemon and Digimon that was a magical girl anime was Cardcaptor Sakura, or Cardcaptors, which is what it was called in the English dub.
Cardcaptors! A mystic adventure!
It's really bad, but I still really loved it. Long story short, it's one of my favorite animes of all time. And also recently, my headset that I've been using for less than a year, my Razer Kitty Kraken headset broke. Let me know if you want a video on it, like a review video. It broke. I had the wired ones and I was so sad that they broke, and so I was in the market for a new headset, and that's when I saw Yowu on Instagram. I saw them announce a new headset in collaboration with Clamp, a Cardcaptor Sakura themed kitty headset, and I was super duper excited because I love Cardcaptor Sakura and I was able to justify a kind of really super expensive, maybe bad purchase. I don't know. This is my first headset from that brand, and they are Bluetooth headsets. I've never had a Bluetooth one. I've always just had wired. I've heard mixed reviews about Bluetooth headsets and how it's kind of hit or miss. So while I was excited for a Cardcaptor Sakura headset, I was a little nervous that it might not be up to par. Like, am I paying almost $300 just for a cute headset because it's Cardcaptor Sakura, or will it actually work? I don't know. I'm assuming if you're here, we have similar interests, so hopefully I can spare you some money or maybe justify your purchase if you watch this and you see that you like it. But before we get started, please be sure, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button. That would really mean a lot to me. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I really truly appreciate it. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if so far, you know, we have similar interests, you like magical girls, etc., please be sure to click that thumbs up button. That really helps out the channel. Okay, so this video is gonna be split into parts. It's gonna be like an unboxing for the most of it, and there'll be text on the screen explaining what I'm unboxing and also some review notes, and then I'll kind of wrap it up at the end with a general review of the headset. Hi again. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I think overall, I think it's a very fun headset to unbox. Just the carrying case alone, like, is really high quality. I was really surprised by that item. And actually, I should put the headset on now. As you can hear it probably. That's the one thing that stood out, is that this headset is very loud. Like, the plastic is very creaky. But it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stand a little bit back so you can see it. But this is how it sits on me. I'm just gonna say this. I wholeheartedly did not buy this headset for like audio quality. I like went into it knowing it's not going to be the best quality. It's like, obviously if I wanted really high quality headsets, I could get like a HyperX headset or something like that, like top performing headsets. This one I kind of knew was more gimmicky just because of the design and because it's Cardcaptor Sakura. You're paying that extra premium because it's official licensed merchandise. Like how I see it, like honestly, I am not going to wear this much. I'm not gonna wear this headset a lot, maybe like a few streams, but I don't want to wear it a lot because I see it as anime merchandise. I don't want it to get ruined. The Razer ones, the ear cups, actually like were huge, and so they sat on my head more comfortably, but of course it would also like fall up and down a lot because they were so big. This one's pretty like fitted to like my actual ear. Like I can't wear this headset for too long because it'll start hurting my ears. And this is like extended all the way as well. Look how tiny they are. They don't even they don't even cover my ear. Oh my god, ear reveal. Also, because it is so tight on my head and I wear glasses, it kind of pinches down the glasses a little bit more. Like right now it's starting to pinch a little, so I don't think I could wear it with my headset for a long time. I'm actually gonna take my glasses off because that hurts. In terms of like gaming, I think if you're like me and you're more like a casual gamer, this headset's really good for casual use, not really like intense gaming. But the problem that comes into play is just the microphone situation. You can use it wired and there is an external microphone on that cable. So it is a little bit better. It does make it sound a bit better. It's still better to have an external microphone. But for me, for my use, which is very casual gaming, simple games that aren't too heavy, and music and editing my videos, I've had no issues with this headset. Overall, I think for the design, it's a very intricate and really beautiful design, and I really like the added feature of the cloud cards unlocking new colors. I think that was a really creative and cute idea. Plus with the carrying case, like look, let me get it. The carrying case is like dead ass like a suitcase. Like it's an actual suitcase. This would be so good for displaying. You could probably even use it for cosplay. It's really high quality. This with the headset and the cards, I think with everything that you get included, I think it is worth the price. I just don't like how small it is and how creaky and heavy it is. It is a pretty heavy headset. I will say one thing I don't like how when you start it up, how loud it is with the Sakura voice. The Sakura voice is really, really cute. It's just really loud and you can't adjust that volume. I'm just bummed out with how it was packaged and how it was sent to me. I think the box is way too heavy for just a poly mailer bag, like just a plastic bag and like one sheet of bubble wrap. It dented the box, and I know it's not a big deal because the headset is fine, but as a collector, aka hoarder, I like to keep the packaging like in as good condition as I can. To me, like the packaging is part of the purchase, and so I was really, really upset that it came really damaged. The box is so damaged. Thankfully the headset's okay, and like I said, I reached out to Yowu asking if they could send a replacement box, just the box, and I was told no. Basically that there's no issue with the headset, so it's not their problem. But overall, like I said, I personally think it's worth the money. I'm glad I spent that money. It was expensive and I'm still paying it off, but I'm really happy with this purchase. I think it's really cute. So if you like Cardcaptor Sakura, if you have a little bit of extra spending money and you're in the market for another kitty headset, I would definitely recommend this one. I personally enjoy this headset a lot more than my Razer Kitty Krakens that I had. I just really like that these aren't wired and the charging is super quick and it lasts a really long time. And that was my unboxing / review video. I really hope you enjoyed it and that it helped you out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me and it helps out the channel. If you're not already, please be sure to click the subscribe button. That also helps me out. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That truly means a lot to me. Please be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you haven't already, please be sure to check out my other social medias. They'll all be listed in the description box down below. Let's follow each other, let's be friends, and thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great and magical, wonderful day. Bye.